Hey y'all, welcome to part 5 of Strumming for Beginners. Welcome back. My name is Catherine. This is my channel, Ukulele Wine Time. So this is how to play the island strum. So everything we've done together so far is leading up to this very awesome, very useful ukulele strumming pattern, which if you are not aware is down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down. So we're going to break that down together today, and we're going to try it out on a song. In case you missed it and you were just looking for how to play the island strum, I highly recommend going back to the previous video, part 4, where we talk about quarter notes and eighth notes. And in the last video, if you've been with me so far on this strumming journey, we actually played the first part of the island strum. So let's start there. We're trying this out on a C chord. That's our third finger, ring finger on the 3rd fret, 1, 2, 3 of your A string. And we're going to try this out. First part, just a simple down, down, up. And if we're counting 3, 4, it's 1 and 2 and. So let's try that together, knowing that we're doing a simple down, down, up, or doing a 1 and 2 and. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, down, up, 3 and 4 and down and down, up, 3 and 4 and stop. And just as a review, I highly recommend that your right hand, your strumming hand, which your wrist is nice and loose, is showing these eighth notes, kind of this underlying rhythm or pulse or heartbeat of the music the whole time, even when your fingers are not brushing the strings. So in the last video, we talked about this too, where your right hand is almost acting as a metronome. So it's always moving 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, down, up, up, down, up. And then we're deciding when we're actually strumming on the strings. So in this case, we're going to strum down on 1, and then on the and of 1, we rest or don't touch the strings. So 1 and 2 and. So on beat 2, we're doing a down, up, or that's 2 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, next we're going to add the and of 3. And this is the moment we've been waiting for. All this amazing rhythm work we've been doing, counting, understanding our magic number in music, 4, understanding eighth notes and how those are connected. This is the moment where we're putting it all together. So we are playing on beats 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3. So on beat 3, on that down, we're not playing anything, but our hand is still moving down. I'm going to say that again. On beat 3, your hand is going to move down, but you're not going to touch the strings. And then on the and of 3, or that up there, then we are going to brush the strings or strum up. Let me put that together. 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, and there is something that's happening on beat 4, but we're not adding that yet. So we're going piece by piece. But again, my wrist is doing this the whole time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, or down, down, up, up. Let's try that with the downs and ups. Ready and play. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, rest, up, down, down, up, rest, up. Okay. Not playing on beat 3, that's probably the most challenging part of this. So just practicing this first little part is a great place to pause the video, do that a couple times on your own. Then we're going to add beat 4, which is just another down, up. So all together, it's going to sound like this. 3 and 4. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay? Let's try it together, nice and slow. Here we go. We'll do it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up, stop. All right, how is that feeling? So that is the island strum. So it's taking place over 4 beats. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And this particular combination is just a rhythm that sounds great. It's a very natural strumming pattern for both guitar and ukulele. And then eventually you're going to speed it up. Okay, and then you'll be able to apply this to different songs. Speaking of songs, let's try it out with our example song that we've been using throughout this whole journey, which is She'll Be Coming Round the Mountain. We're going to do it 2 times through the whole song. The first time I'm going to help us out with the pattern, and then the second time through I will sing the melody. Okay, starting with our C chord, nice and slow. And our pattern again is down, down, up, up, down, up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. She'll be coming round, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, G, down, up, she'll be C, down, down, up, F, down, up, G, down, down, C, down. Now let's try it with lyrics. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. Up, down, up, down. All right. How did that go? If you're not ready to add the lyrics yet, that's totally fine. I highly recommend practicing the strumming pattern separately always. And then you can put it together with the lyrics. Here's a fun challenge for you. So we were doing the island strum 1 time per chord. What would it sound like if we did it 2 times per chord? You want to try it out with me? So the beat of the song will stay the same. So we'll still do our 1, 2, 3, 4. But instead of fitting that pattern in over 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and we're going to now fit it over 2 beats. So now instead of fitting it over 4 beats, we're actually going to fit it over 2 beats. So the island strum, we're doing twice as fast, but our big beat, our heartbeat of the song is staying the same. Okay, you feel me? Let's try it out. 1, 2, 3. She'll be coming down the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. 2, 3, 4. Or you could speed it up even more and actually speed up the tempo. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain. She'll be coming around the mountain. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. Woo! That's where it's all going. Gotta have your solid rhythmic foundation though. All right, I hope you found this helpful. Let me know if you have any questions about this, and I will see you in the next video where we're gonna put this all together with a practice exercise. So if you've got your, hold on. So if you've got your handout, we're actually gonna play through the whole thing together. So it's gonna help us to see how all of these strumming patterns, all of these rhythms are connected. So I'll see you over there in part 6. Cheers! Ukulele wine time.